Today, we're diving into one of the most exciting developments in open source AI, Qwen 3, Alibaba's latest large language model. Whether you're a developer, researcher, or just curious about AI, you'll want to know what makes Qwen 3 a game changer. Qwen 3 is part of the Qwen family and is available under the Open Apache 2.0 license. It comes in a wide range from small models with zero point 0.6 billion parameters for edge devices to a massive 235 billion parameter mixture of experts model built for the cloud. But it's not just about size. What truly sets Qwen 3 apart is its smart architecture, efficiency, and real world performance. One standout feature is its dual mode system. For complex tasks like coding or math, it switches to thinking mode and solves problems step by step. For simpler tasks, it uses non thinking mode to respond instantly. You can even set a thinking budget to balance speed, quality, and cost, which is perfect for developers managing resources. You also get to choose between six dense models for consistent performance or two MOE models for scaling without heavy cloud costs. The MOE models activate only a portion of parameters per task, making them highly efficient. Qwen 3 understands and generates text in 119 languages and dialects. If you are building apps for global users, this is a big win. The larger models support up to 131,000 tokens, enough to handle long documents, full code bases, or detailed conversations without losing context. In tests, Qwen 3 scores impressively across reasoning, math, coding, and even creative writing. It handles instructions and multi turn dialogues with ease, making it feel more natural and human like. It's also built for real world use. With support for external tools and the Model Context Protocol, it fits perfectly into advanced systems like RAG, agent workflows, and automation pipelines. I have a prompt to create a website using HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. I'm going to use Qwen 2.5 Max for this. It's one of the most powerful models in the Qwen family. You can also try Qwen 3 235B, but let's start with Qwen 2.5 Max. I'll enter the prompt now and select thinking mode for better results. Thinking mode helps the model break down the task and generate higher quality output. For code preview, I recommend selecting web dev. It allows you to see your code in action right here. You can also use artifacts to view and manage your generated files and previews. Now the model is generating the response. It might take a little time, especially on slower connections, so just be patient. Done. The code is ready, and you can see the live preview on the right. Looks amazing, right? The animations are smooth, and the design feels modern and polished. This really shows the strength of Qwen 2.5 Max. Next, let's test the same prompt using Qwen 3 235B. I'll again select thinking mode and set the context window to max for the best results. You can lower it if you want faster output, but I'll go with full context here. Now it's generating the code. I'll choose artifacts this time to view the preview. And here it is, another responsive, clean, and beautiful output. Comparing both, you can really see the power of Qwen 2.5 and Qwen 3. Both models handle web development tasks beautifully with responsive layouts and smooth interactions. I highly recommend trying Qwen models for your web development projects. They can help make your coding journey easier and more powerful, and most importantly, help you build real world applications faster and smarter. Developers love Qwen 3 for many reasons. The weights are open so you can fine tune and deploy anywhere, from small devices to large clusters. It was trained on 36 trillion tokens and supports quantization, which means even large models can run on modest hardware. With MCP and Qwen Agent, integrating with APIs, databases, or other tools is simple. Compared to other models like GPT-4 or Gemini, Qwen 3 holds its ground. It supports more languages, handles similar token limits, and most importantly, it's open source and deployable on your own terms. So, where can you use it? Build chatbots, translate content, generate or debug code, power RAG systems, or create complex workflows with agents. The possibilities are wide open. Qwen 3 isn't just another model, it's a powerful, open tool pushing the boundaries of AI. Whether you're building apps or exploring new ideas, this is one tool you don't want to miss. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe, and let us know in the comments what